3, 2, 1.
What was the first name of the physicist Newton? The answer is B. Isaac. In which movie was the line, "He'll be back" delivered? The answer is B. The Terminator. What is the structure in a diploid sporophyte that undergoes meiosis to form haploid spores? The answer is D. Sporangium. Who wrote the song Bohemian Rhapsody? The answer is A. Queen Freddie. Which was the first Disney production to show the death of a main character? The answer is D. Lion King. Who proposed the concept of tabula rasa? The answer is C. Locke. What term is used to describe molecules that contain carbon-nitrogen bonds? The answer is A. Amines. What is the metal part of the compound named as? The answer is B. The element. Golf is a game in which you shout 4, shoot 6, and write down 5 according to which popular ABC radio personality? The answer is D. Paul Harvey. Which part of a dart is sharpened? The answer is C. Point. The caterpillar is a vehicle used in which industry primarily? The answer is A. Construction. A spontaneous change process called neutrino oscillations can occur only if neutrinos have what property? The answer is B. Mass. I'm small, round, and can store a large amount of information. What am I? The answer is A. Hard drive. What are solid lipids that animals use to store energy called? The answer is C. Fats. Fanny Price is the main character of which novel written by Jane Austen? The answer is C. Mansfield Park. Who was the first woman to receive a patent? The answer is A. Mary Kies. Which famous scientist invented the calculus? The answer is C. Da Vinci. What has 1,000 eyes and tells 1,000 stories? The answer is D. Crystal ball. Liquids with strong intermolecular forces have higher what than liquids with weaker forces? The answer is B. Surface tension. stomata must control the transpiration of water vapor and the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen that take place during what process? The answer is D. Photosynthesis. What holiday pie was Little Jack Horner eating in the nursery rhyme Little Jack Horner? The answer is D. Christmas pie. What is the name of the serial killer in the great movie The Silence of the Lambs? The answer is D. Buffalo Bill. Weight refers to what force acting on a mass? The answer is D. Gravitational. What is the term for the cell fragments involved in blood clotting, which stick to tears and blood vessels and to each other? The answer is A. Platelets. I'm often printed on paper, yet I'm not ink or a drawing. What am I? The answer is A. Currency. Lichens are symbiotic organisms made of green algae and fungi. What do the green algae supply to the fungi in this symbiotic relationship? The answer is B. Food. Which household item cleans dishes? The answer is A. Dishwasher. I cut but don't run. What am I? The answer is A. Scissors. I have thousands of channels, but hold no remote. What am I? The answer is D. Television guide. What travels at the speed of light, but always arrives an hour late? The answer is C. Light itself. I cover the head and can be red, blue or green. What am I? The answer is A. Hat. On what annual holiday do an estimated 1 million people gather in New York's Times Square? The answer is B. New Year's Eve. Which tool is used for cutting metal? The answer is A. Hacksaw. During a sporting event, a referee uses a whistle to alert the teams to start and stop playing. What causes the sound from the referee's whistle to travel in all directions? The answer is B. Vibrations of the air. The USA leads the world in per capita consumption of water. Which country is second? The answer is D. Canada. What is the term for a connection between a neuron and its target cell? The answer is B. Synapse. What type of fabric is denim made from? The answer is D. Cotton. What does the precise pattern of a crystal depend on? The answer is C. Compound. What is the study of the structure, function, evolution, and distribution of living organisms? The answer is C. Biology. Sunlight is a source of light from what? The answer is C. Local star. Which of these is not a ski resort in the Catskill Mountains? The answer is D. Greek Peak. After fossils are formed, which process is most likely to destroy them? The answer is D. The rock cycle. Danny Granger played basketball at what college?
The answer is D. New Mexico.
Not getting enough calcium may cause what health problem? The answer is C. Osteoporosis. I'm a fortress that no one builds, no one attacks. What am I? The answer is A. Hope. What conducts nerve-like electrical signals that help integrate whole plant function? The answer is B. The phloem. I can be open for centuries, yet still a virgin. What am I? The answer is C. Old book. What is the name of the dragon Victor Krum has to fight for the first task of the Triwizard Tournament? The answer is C. Chinese fireball. The guitar with 4 strings, what is it called? The answer is A. Bass guitar. Which of these birds typically do not use their feet for walking and instead use them mainly for perching?